Muyenge, according to what we would see for side for Muyenge for early this morning time. Now fire where it be the born people their house for that side so for Muyenge for early this morning time. No person in no sabi waiting where it cause the fire, but sabi says since yesterday or Sunday said for side for Muyenge na village for inside Muyuka. They don't talk say gun it don't the holla for that side. Now so under the chapter for northwest and southwest. No man in never feel for talk who is the born these people their house from Muyenge, whether now who them or now who, no man in never feel for talk, but sabi say all people them for that side so for Muyenge. Muyenge na village for under Muyuka subdivision. Plenty people them they don't run come out. Even one them say where they shidon for that side so where they call and say waiting. Call and say Bafia Muyuka, all them too they don't run come out enter for bush. Now so inside the same chapter for northwest and southwest. People them happy big day for work. People them for all people there they work. Even you will know the work where they work na so for house. That one too na so work. So happy big day for all na so for outside this afternoon. Tori for this afternoon we go start and for that side so for Bello. Sabi say picking them for St. Bede's College na for that side so for Bello. Plenty school picking they don't run come out for outside school, and other one they is also pack for come out. This one na after we principal and chaplain yesterday for some time they can't thief the two people them. Yes, the one it be then for inside chaplain where it is so they be the make prayer for inside chaplain as so they make prayer for inside church. Now so to the chaplain says for inside the school it come now one time thing they start shake. Now so they first take chaplain after they turn back for take principal. Even governor says it don't land for the school, but sabi says certain now even as we Tori become out say they don't left chaplain for the school. Principal says they never so see as well the talk so sabi say they be fair take their chaplain after where they can turn back so for take principal. So just now people them for that side for Bello, mommy them for St. Bede's College for that side for Bello. They don't so turn back for go come out their picking them for school after the thing where it pass for side for Bello. Inside Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go talk palava for Muyenge according to what we would see for side for Muyenge for early this morning time. Now fire where it be the born people their house for that side so for Muyenge for early this morning time. No person in no sabi waiting where it cause the fire, but sabi says since yesterday or Sunday said for side for Muyenge na village for inside Muyuka. They don't talk say gun it don't the holla for that side. Now so under the chapter for northwest and southwest. No man in never feel for talk who is the born these people their house from Muyenge, whether now who them or now who, no man in never feel for talk, but sabi say all people them for that side so for Muyenge. Muyenge na village for under Muyuka subdivision. Plenty people them they don't run come out. Even one them say where they shidon for that side so where they call and say waiting. Call and say Bafia Muyuka, all them too they don't run come out enter for bush. Now so inside the same chapter for northwest and southwest. We go take un announce so go for place where they call am say Bafia. Bafia na for central region, no na for Muyuka sese. Yes, for that side for Bafia. Now population it be come out. I say Bafia side na population it be come out for aside. Population it in invest na say waiting. Make police peoples they left some padiman. Where they talk say na ikis or other padiman they call it say Yakubu. They say make they left Amidu when Naiki Yakubu. Say make it come aside. Say they want see Yakubu, they want see Amidu. Yes. They say Naiki Yakubu for that side so for Bafia. Now way population it come aside. They say make police people they left that man. Say they want show that man waiting in mean for say make a key another person. Tori we enter for we ear and say Yakubu, 24-year-old man, he be done the hell up with his other small padiman so he get his small money. By Okada, he started tonton before this other padiman, he take knife chukam, he die, then he run go for sir. If you say people they don't forget, he turn back for Bafia. Now for the way police people then say they pull hand for it. Now mami that for Yakubu, where he cry, he picking don't go. Now the young man that Amido, where they kashi. They say na he choke that man where they call and say Yakubu with a knife. Then he go with the Okada. Penya Okada way Yakubu just come up by money way he don't work up. So as so the talk so for this side, people then for Bafia, they vex. They say the one that Padiman, make police people, they just left the Padiman. May he can meet up them even for 0 seconds. May they show that man wait away, it means say he kiss or other person, then police people, they now they don't hide. The population ask him, police bring with that man. Now the young man that bring with that man, make he come out outside. He kill different person. He kill different person. A thief Okada run go with him. He go remain then if he say when he come back, all things go don't go down. Ben a lie. Police, he don't catch a man, and population for Bafia Sisep, he don't talk say they must to left that man. Yes, they must to do it in left that man for that side. We go also remain for inside center region. Now so now for Bam and Enugu, we go enter. Cameroon flag, it go for up. We go feel say na some better school where the pikin they inside. Who side? Pikin they suffer. They say the one them na future Cameroon peoples. But they suffer. See school. You see school? School they make an out calabot. And the calabot it get a normal window. See a picking they don't send their head for outside. Even zinc in no day. See this other side. Now school that way pickings for that side, so for Akok. Now some village. See how way they spy. You see window no day. And now only the one play madam. It teach nursery school, primary and nursery school 1 and 2. Then one teacher now they teach the whole primary school side. It means that the school no fair get class, it no get even teacher, it no get even computer. Then they picking them even place for make sport. Sport na exam where they go write and they no get place where they go make sport. Computer no day and they say they teach them computer. They picking you carry computer go give them for them. They no even sabi way to be computer. So see the kind condition wey pikin dey learn for inside school. Na place where they call am say Akok. Akok, as well I don't talk, e dey na for under Bam and Enugu, and the people dey suffer. Only 2 teacher them. Even as well they put PTA for 20,000. Say they go see as well they go help the school. 20,000 wey they put PTA, e never so help the school for no way. So now they dey talk say make governor e try for put him up for inside the palava. Make people the way they come out for side for Akok. Make them too they try for put them up for the palava. For second say the pikin they suffer. I say the pikin they suffer, but I say Nkunkuma, when you see the kind of thing, so pikin they no get computer. Carry like some 5,000 computer them. Where you get them for university, go get them for the school pikin them too. So that they go the learn small. You understand? They go the learn small. No na say pikin they get some subject where they call and say computer. Then they never ever see computer with their eye. How that pikin they go manage pass exam? When they never ever see computer with their eye. They no go fit for pass exam. And they get computer book where they get for learner. They no go fit. They no go fit for pass exam at all. Now, make we enter for politics more. Inside politics, SDF. I say SDF. Now, Pa see that. Pa see it is wrong with the flag. Now, the flag that, voila. They don't give the flag official now for before population for West. Now, from Buddha. Where SDF it be chose for go start do the jawaka for show who he get for drag rope with Nkunkuma. Time we vote for president, he enter for country. So Pani Johnny be there present. Osi Joshua and even all other people them for SDF, they be there for say make the turn up for Bagman way he go drag rope with Nkunkuma. Sabi say that rope no na only Osi Joshua get for dragger. But SDF don't talk say Oga Osi Joshua as well be promise. Time when they be voting for Bamenda for Congress, it also go turn for all Cameroon, region 1, region 2, so they enter for region 10. So it already started working now. So, and according to Osi Joshua, he say if population is turn for a bag, then they make a sort of drag rope, he put Nkunkuma for ground, enter for a 2D. Say what condition for people there for country? Now yo. All thing he go work as small. You understand? Say any man where he vote, so they enter for a 2D. Say people they no go suffer again for country. Say all thing he go na nayo, loco. As way back with the people they talk for that side so for Southwest. So SDF it don't start. And they talk say no na for campaign. Yes. They know they na for campaign. They na for show the person where they don't choose them. Say he get for turn up for vote for 2018. You understand? So they know they for campaign. They know they not for campaign. They say they want the show. So if it then a big ngando for SDF people them for that side. So from Buddha, if it then for West region. Sabi say after they come up for that side from Buddha, they go waka go to for different side. As we are talk, SDF they don't talk say they never start campaign at all after for 2018 vote. And for talk true, Pani John Sesep Oga Chairman, a back ambassador, make una hear ye.
I don't come here today for open campaigns. No. I don't come here today for open campaigns. No. I come today for introduce una flag bearer for the campaign. I don't come here.
Yes, he don't talk. He no come for can make campaign. He come for can show population who be Osi Joshua. They don't see him for television, hear him for radio. Say better make Osi Joshua to meet up with population from Buddha side and West region for general. So they go also continue for do that on turn for all corner. Make we take on a go some more again for inside politics. CPDM, some more time we go surely Chakara or say senator themselves. More first start this chapter for senator. Yes. Sabi say Senator Henry Gamse, he be talk palaver from V. Imukete, where he get two chair them for inside upper house or country. And Oga Henry Kamende, after he make that noise, he make that noise for inside Senate. It means say people them for Senate, they no be sabia. Say plenty people they give them a point and they vote them for enter for Senate where they get two chair. Tomorrow, they told him say na tomorrow, where they go talk all people the way they get two further than for inside senator. Sabi say he get some work peoples where Ngomna don't give them work where they dey for on top BB chair and on top that one they don't also enter for senate. So now tomorrow commission where they be put say make he check all the people them before they give senate badge. He go talk tomorrow. You understand? He go talk tomorrow and na tomorrow we go sabi whether people they learn from V. Mukete and the other people the way they get two position them. So they then it remain for assassinate, they go come out. And according to law, if we no make mistake, if tomorrow way they get for top beating, they get 10 days. I say waiting, they get 10 days for say make they come out, they choose whether they go be senator or they be the board chair where they want be or they remain like director for say where they go for be. So now tomorrow we go sabi people the way they go come out for inside Senate house and one the way they go jump enter for on top different people them their chance. For that side for Melon, now for Mongo division, it don't bad. I say CPDM, so most of the go tier. Mongo division for Melon, council session will be passed. Oga SDO knock hand for table. It's a main session president for CPDM. He look out. Make mayor for Melon. He look out. Now mayor that for Melon. Say make he look out. And make a session president of CPDM. He look out. Say time he never reach where they get for start make campaign. If mayor wants also she done, make it she done. Now the motor for carry dirty now they bring the confusion. Mayor he talks say don't buy motor for 50 million. Oga president for session president of CPDM. He denies say lie to lie. That Ngongo also for carry dirty now only 12 million. Now for the trouble happen. So even the man where they call it a session president, he don't write letter send them for Yawinde. Say he dey so the mayor for the one chop money. So now the thing that way he enter for inside council session for Melon where he pass. Even as session president for CPDM for Melon, he no be there for council session. SDO for inside Mongo division in knock hand for table. He say make all that two people then they look out and make the hear fine. Any palabra way concern CPDM. People they dey for inside Melon or Mongo division where they fit start look inside that palava. Make no man he no write letter send am for outside. And the man he talk say the motor wey buy am na for sika good heart. Now after wey he dey take chair, they see and say place e dirty for Melon. Now when they say make they buy motor wey go the tonton carry dirty, he no sabi whether thing wey don do e don turn a bad thing or na how. So e be na one way Oga section president for CPDM he write letter send am for Yawinde. Say deeper the man he don't the chop money. So Oga SDO don't knock hand for table. He don't talk say make the two people then they look out. Say make they know this make CPDM. His name is spoiled for outside. All the work then so now work then that way. Melon people's council he don't do am for now. But your council people then say so they for inside council. Make we take on a go for Ekema Patrick own council. It be then a palaba for Kraidai. Yes. Kraidai for Ekema Patrick and all council people them. Una sabi that people the way they be get accident for Ombe. They don't come out their body. They want Ekema Patrick own brother Sese. Then now the other people then do where they die, now they put in that Anyi Eugene Azie, David Ngowotani, you get a Kongolo, now all than that. So Boya Council, you give them last bye-bye yesterday. Yes. You give them last bye-bye. Sabi say as well I talk, all the people they be die. Ekema Patrick he had he be there some kind of way. The man he be here bad. He be here bad. He be then a black day for that side so for Boya. As well the commodity die body them. Yes, bad day for all people them for Boya Council. Well, as well I talk, now people the way they die for accident. When I sabi say we talk that chapter for that accident will be passed for side for Ombe. And ebiden our watching. We talk Asia for Ekema Patrick too for that side so for Boya. Yes, Ekema Patrick Esunge as I say all them they go surely go now for go march. But we also talk Asia for you Oga Ekema Patrick where you be mayor for side for Boya side. Make we come up for outside country now so we talk some more palava for first African president for go meet up Trump. They shake hand. Yes, the first African president wey e don meet up Donald Trump for United States of America. Say make they shake hand. Na Oga Buhari. Yes, Oga Buhari for Nigeria, president for Nigeria. Now he be the first person for meet up Buhari, for meet up Donald Trump. Sabi say since Donald Trump she don for chair, no African man he never go meet up Donald Trump for tell say congratulate or for say make them to the talk, bobo kind talk them. So Oga Buhari don go she don with Donald Trump and e dey so na for them for talk palava kombi with Nigeria and United States of America. Sabi say tomorrow we go surely turn back for tell una true the kind talk them wey Donald Trump and Buhari dey talk am. As well as sabi people that don dey talk say Donald Trump e be talk say Africa na shit hole, Africa na D1, Africa put dey lazy, Africa dey lazy. Last Buhari e go meet up with ECE. We go hear whether he go talk say Buhari come up for shit whole country or he lazy. You understand? So now they talk then that we plenty people they remember time we Trump he become for chair for that side. Very good. When he talk say happy work day, happy big day for work for people them for outside the sabi so na day una plenty. We una don't go outside say for match, but we also member una big manager say for that side for Azimote. Happy big day for you. You day for Kumba side, and even you Oga Bambo the Maxim. We salute una and all work people them. Happy big day for work. Today na number 1 day for inside number 5 moon. Make we laugh small, make we dance small before I go.
Jehovah Jireh, you're the builder of my world. I will bow down to you anytime, every day, anywhere. Eujimo, imanonye nemema, omekwala yoso. Onye nenyewa, omekwala moso. Imanonya ukelema, omekwala moso. I will give you all the praise, and you can make my life.
Chop to be trained for na belle today. Una drink small mimbo so that tomorrow na turn back for work. Sabi say weekend e be over plenty. Make una hold am tight tomorrow. Say Nyala na so too for that side for Bafia. Police people they don't hold some one man where they talk say be thief another person in Okada then it wrong come out. Population be one finity. One time police people they enter for inside the case. So for inside Tori for this afternoon. Population for place where they call them say Yasa. For Douala too, they did so beg say me Miss Elgan Gomnam. He can help, he put him up for inside Palava for the land with some person he one can do it in, he one can take him by force. All the Tori then so plus even result for Ndambam for number 17 day for League One where he finished yesterday. Can the people them we go bring them big part talk. He dey tell we say waiting say even if money is dirty na how you no fit ever see for dirty place. Even if money is dirty na how you no fit ever see for dirty place. Na big part talk that way come up for land for friendship. They call am na Victoria. You want call am na Limbe. Job Desiree. Na he say we big part talk for today. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Before we enter for Tori in the proper, Tori we Congo Sawe Mitowi for that side so for Bafia Moyoka. And they talk for we say since yesterday, population for Bafia Moyoka, they don't run, come out, enter for bush. For Sekase, some boy them, they don't cut boma tree, block roads, and Kamamburu people then say, they begin for enter for this. So population here, the Tori, it don't run, enter for bush. So for inside this chapter, for side for Malende, Tori where the enter for we here too, it the tongue na palava burning, where it the pass for that side, so for Malende, for inside Southwest. As where the thing that the pass, we go try for turn for ground, for here, as where the thing it the pass in the proper. Tori for this afternoon, we go begin now with the chapter for die. We take una go for that side where they call am say Nyala. Now towards place where they call am say village, population it be cry. I say population it be cry. Mami it cry. Now for sika waiting. Some Okada man is sleep straight. I say waiting, Okada man is sleep straight. How this Okada man sleep straight? Nadin Gongoro. Okada man be one comot. For Sika say ho, he dey for corner road. Gongoro. He move Okada man for game. One time, army rescue people then to the camp. They say make the camp cover the die body. Now the die body there for Okada man. Where he be there on top Okada, he be 1 ton. They say na hole he make on this Okada man, so he make mistake. Now so too, na that it is say no. That place he broke comot. Okada man fall for inside the where even the man Gongoro to be the cam a cancel he move Okada man for game. Population for Nyala be comot. They be one do waiting. Now only for them for Tana for see as way thing that they pass on that side. It be then a big cry. Cry, but this cry it no be fit for do waiting. It no be fit for wake up that Okada man where he don't already sleep straight. Sabi say na some bibi motorway carry mimbo as soon as so that motorway turn up. Now the motorway move this Okada man for game. All the one then to the blame am now for Sika some whole way be turn up job for corner. But as I talk, army rescue people them for Captain Alfu Hansen and even a big man. All they ever be prepared for enter one time for say make the population in Ovek. So Okada man he die yesterday. He no go join he combi them. For do waiting for glad number 1 day for inside number 5 moon. Now place that way the accident it happen. Now place that it cause accident that hole where Okada man made me say enter then Gongoro the cam serious kissing. Now Okada man here back. So now the accident that way pass for place where they call am say Nyala for inside Douala here. We go remain for chapter for die, but the one they don't catch the person. Make we take una go for place where they call am say Bafia. Now for place where it dey for central region, population be comot. I say waiting, population be comot. This population so where they comot for that side for Bafia. No be na for Sika say the one can see am. Na population where policeman he can buy case. Population say make they bring that man for outside. Make they bring that man for outside. They want see that man for outside. Now which man they talk? The man there for inside police station. Where population be one turn up on top he hate. I say waiting, population be one turn up on top he hate for that side so for Bafia. For Sika say this party man he get mind. He kill Okada man. Carry he Okada one go. Population cash up. They want na come. Police people then too they can buy case. Now if population come. Now mami that for the pikin where they kill up. Now mami picking that. Where mami they cry inside police station. Mami they cry. Mami the cry. But who side the man says way he do the work? Now the small boy that. Now the boy that way he take knife, he choke different person. Then he take Okada, he want run go with her. Population where they for be one only finish with you one time. Yeah, nothing that population be want do. But police people they buy case. Police people them for Bafia. They buy case for the palava. So as all the talk so this party man he dey from Gata just now. But the man is there from Gata. He do waiting. He wait. Whether they go send him for Bibi Gata or they go levy for that side. That one a Bibi question. One man if you understand. But now say the population will be turn up so. If police people they know for calm. I say if police people they know for calm. The boy, the young boy so. That boy for don't be na past tense. Therefore they call the boy name na past tense. If the boy named for being Amos, therefore talk say Amos State. You understand? If he for being Varios, therefore say Varios State. You understand? Therefore they call the boy name now for past tense. All the population so they be one key na e. For sika say iki Okada man, if Okada wrong go time. So police they continue for make investigate for that side so for Bafia. Yes, Bafia so I talk no be na Bafia for Moyoka. Where population don't run come up for inside for Sika Palava for Noya Southwest na Bafia for Yawende for center region. We go enter now so for inside Palava for who get land, who no get land. Land where people they the fighter. Now the same land they go ton die, they put them for inside. But every day, people them for Douala them to turn up, say they want thief land. They want by force them come up for their land. They want do the one. They don't bring people there they get behind them. Say maybe they can't fight with them. All that one they saw. They say na people them for who them. Now so they turn up for they talk now say me Oga governor. The same governor for Douala will be don't sign book. Say make them not touch the land where the people they did for that side for Nyasa. So today the population for Nyasa they so beg. Make governor can put him up. Make even Kunkuma to send people they put them up. Governor delegate. So the people they come out again. Where they don't tell them say they go can chakara all their house them. Where they don't she done from top for more than how many years. Where they get for can chakara their house. So the population small picking they say they come out for outside. Now for Sika waiting. Small picking they talk say if they can chakara house now. Who side they go get school for the go. They acting them for school now waiting. Now book that. Where governor says if you don't take hand so sign book. He talks say make no man in no touch the people them for their land. But it's so now. People they so get see now put the houses they build and so where they toss they get for can chakara all the housing. So they put them for that side for Yasatu they come out again. They come out they talk say me Oga governor somewhere Joe the neighbor Dibois he can't help them for the palaver. They don't tire the palaver. They know sabi what you do. Sunday maybe now overnight they go join council. Woo carry out in chakara people then. So the population come out. They come out with their peace sticker say they want peace. Say na land where they don't sit down on top since they get land title. Even governor say they don't sign book. Say me they left the people them. But so today they worry them. I say so today they worry them. So anyhow, as I say governor say he look Tori and he get for knock hand for table for on top the palava. This palava for land for Douala, it must to stop. If no be na one when a population is do bad, make the let population she don't quiet. Make the let population she don't quiet. So make we hear now so one of the person for inside this palaver he talk wait the way it dey happen. Now for Ash they say microphone make we hear that.
For year since 2008 we don't suffer for this place so we will see the paper so government don't give it right. We want Sam na gendarme they don't enter for here. We gone, we think them for their skinless in a war. Catch other people them. They put bomb for all sides. We want ask them say na waiting. They talk say we be allogen say we go. As I say we not there Cameroonian. They talk say man open him up again they will kill him that's so. Papa with the beg that's so. Say me papa sitting where the pass for inside the country for Yasa. You see how the way we don't build them for here, we don't stop bomb picking them. Some other picking them they don't grow for here, they married. The bomb picking, they come today say they will come take land.
Yes, as they say, be so as this man for that side so for Yasa, who be the people that way they want who be the people them where they want disobey other way governor say if you don't get tell me.
They call them say na Yakamba na some quarter. Yakamba and some Maui they call it say Chamberlain. Not them. Which paper when I show you the letter for governor? Where governor don't already make decision for they say they not get right. Now which paper they will get them again? Except say they don't simplify governor, then we governor really look them to hell away. If they don't simplify governor, they read this thing because I don't know. They will hold some will neighbor them. That will neighbor them normally like 2 weeks, yes, but they don't left them.
Yes, so Palava for land, so inside we go remain, we take on and now, so enter for the same Palava for land for Bangante side. For that side too, na some other family too wey come out for side. So from Bangante calling people them where it dey so on top their land where they don't dey work on top their land. According to Tori we enter for we ear for that land, so where people they work, they come out them plenty for go talk for population or the worker company for that land. Say me they come out on top for side for Bangante. According to Tori we enter for we ear for that land where they did make that construction work. So na burial ground they be there na so too they don't chakara some 3 houses where they build on top, and this a place who they do the work. They say na some hihon people them where they don't go start work on top the land. So family people them for side from Bangante then say they be come out aside for talks everything make this hihon company no do anything, no continue for work on top the land for Sika na the land where they never buy them. Big man say for inside the company na the human man that he try for the talk for lawyer man say nothing this will do am, nothing will do am. So they no sabi wait the pass. Sabi say the population or these family people the way they see them, so they come out na for Sika say they don't come out all their burial ground them where they don't put them for the land. Then on top that one they work on top where they no sabi who give them the commandeer. So now for Sika why that way they come out, they say they want go fight, say me they come out on top their land. As well they see and say work on top the land, they go as well get for go. But the family people them they claim for talk say no be na them said the land. Make we hear one of the family person too for that side. So from Bangate, he talk for a man a microphone. We go meet up with one of these people then where they vex on top land where they be the shidon on top, they want turn back where it is so some company it don't start work on top the land. Chakara grave, Chakara even house them where they be there for the land. Make we hear it.
But you know fun, Papa, you know fun because they don't take the place. They don't take the place for country. They don't burn my mommy for here. My Papa. Then side for my mommy where I dey so. They don't take the place also. This place be there so we don't build house for here. 4 houses. So they come shene na shene. They don't take them. They don't spoil them for evening so. They light the thing down. They don't know again. Say something be there for here so. They don't take them or they don't disappoint. They don't scatter all place, all thing for here so. And for side down where my house is there. They push ground so go lock them. Place for go down again for that place. For salute place where for salute my mommy and my papa where they don't bury them for day. Where no day for pass. It be sorry for me today. Now my auntie and my mbombo where they don't scatter so. Every day my brother, small brother, where he picking be die. Every time some step brother where he be there for day. They don't scatter all. They don't know place where they don't bury them. Every my auntie so where Sumota we go come for day for talk say mama. Now you the local we. Now you the protect we. Where no day we don't know place where they.
Yes, so na so chapter for land, Bangante, trouble, Douala, trouble, the same land will the fight. On top the same land, they go last bury we for day. We go left Palava for land this afternoon. We enter for inside chapter for Norwest, Southwest, Adolf Lele Lafrique. He be there for that side, so for Bello. This man, na governor SSF for that side, so for Norwest. He be go for Bello, for go check and for see with his own crow eye. As we Bello town, tin de waka for them. And all Iwaka, he glad for see as we tin de pass. But Sabi say first time when governor SSF this or waka, you know be the see plenty kamamburu them or uniform people them for corner. But now so for talk say to true. Place you know the waka fine now for Sika why that way now so uniform people you see am for corner governor normal civilian he had say we see am for corner governor now so oga governor be turn for inside Bello for check and for use his own crow eye for see and say town for Bello he don't quiet people they don't run come out for inside that town as well governor say he waka for the whole Bello town for check whether for true how Bello e dey. Some side for Bello, nothing know they happen. Other side, thing the pass. So governor says, he no be fit for understanding hate for inside this palaba. But Sabi say, Adolf Lele Lafrique, after we turn for inside the whole Bello, he come for understand say true palava e really dey for inside this part for Norway region wey Mississippi and never pass today. Bello we sabi say na subdivision wey e dey for under Boyo division for side for Norway. So Bello people dem say no man e no be comot for talk say come good for Adoblele Lafrique, but the office people dem, governor people dem dey sit down for that side. Na dem dey welcome Oga Adoblele Lafrique as we turn for see as we live for Bello e dey happen. But sabi say see all the one dem store them all places where they don't dey lock. Oga governor e see all thing as we e pass for that side for Bello. So now for talk say true palava dey. Yes, palava e dey. Make we live and so. Make we go enter now so for Ndamba. For Ndamba, we talk a result for number 17 day for League One way it happen on Sunday. And Sabi say this number 17 day he make and say made the first round for this Ndamba for inside we country for League One. He finish. The result na say waiting. Young Sport Academy Enak Egle 1-0. Fovu and Stade Rena 1-1. Future North, New Stars 2, Yawende Foot North, Bambutus 1, Dragon 2, Cotton Sport 2, UMS North, Edin North, Unisport 1, Column North, Apeges 2, Union 3, Astre 1, AS Fortuna 1. Sabi say Cotton Sport e comot like the best team for the first round for inside day with Damba for country with 34 points. The other people there they follow it for back. You get people there like Fuvu where they get 33 points. We get people then too like UMS then too they get 33 points for back Cotton Sport. Egle e comot na Las Coco as well Ligue 1 Damba. First round e finish for Sunday. So now so we see country for this afternoon as Sabi say plenty work people they dey outside they where they prepare for everything. May they make match tomorrow as we dey na that big day. I dey also talk for all na for outside they say happy big day. They make una Sabi say no be na day for una for go drunk or una no turn back for work for Wednesday. Na day for check whether work condition dey fine. Waiting, you know they find so that we do am. So I dey talk happy Labor Day or work day for all peoples where they dey work. Even you where they work for house, na social work. On a whole am tight.